Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an alternator from a Kia Sportage. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool. Safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable using a 10mm wrench. This prevents electrical shorts during the process. Next, identify the alternator's location, typically on the lower front of the engine. You'll need a serpentine belt tool to release tension on the belt. Once the battery is safely disconnected, it's time to address the serpentine belt. Use a 14mm wrench or a specialized serpentine belt tool to rotate the tensioner pulley, releasing tension on the belt. Carefully slide the belt off the alternator pulley. Next, locate the electrical connections on the back of the alternator. Disconnect the main positive wire, often secured by a 12 or 13mm nut, and then unplug the smaller signal wire connector. With the belt and electrical connections out of the way, you can now focus on the mounting bolts. There are usually two main bolts holding the alternator in place. Remove the top mounting bolt, which is commonly a 14mm size. For the bottom bolt, you may only need to loosen it a few revolutions, rather than removing it completely, as it often slides into a channel. Due to tight clearances, you might need to gently pry or wiggle the alternator to free it. Reinstalling the new alternator is essentially the reverse of removal. Carefully position the new alternator, ensuring the bottom bolt slides into its channel, then secure both mounting bolts. Reconnect the electrical wires, starting with the signal wire and then the main positive wire. Finally, route the serpentine belt correctly around all pulleys and reconnect the negative battery terminal. Remember to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Once everything is reconnected, start your Sportage to confirm the new alternator is charging correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.